What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, the Hoxton Trend. So this has basically been a 3-part video where I've been talking about Certilogo. This video is more or less going to be about how to use the Certilogo when you are selling. Lots of us have items which have the Certilogo label inside, but yet lots of people are not using the Certilogo to help them sell product. Now, by letting your customers know that your item is 100% genuine can actually increase the asking price. Remember, when you're using a marketplace like eBay or Depop or Grail and you put one of your items up on there, they can find it quite intimidating because they're not sure if items are genuine. So by having your Certilogo seal is really going to instill confidence in the people that are buying from you, okay? Also, what's going to happen in this video is we're going to do a super cool giveaway, okay? This Parajumpers hooded quilt top that you see right here. Just going to show you in a little bit of detail. Got the nice Parajumpers on the arms. It's basically a really nice piece, but this is going to be a giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see how you can enter with a chance to win this super cool Parajumpers jacket, okay? Right, so what I'm going to do, I am going to put this Parajumpers on my Depop so that I can promote the item and let my Depop followers know I'm doing a competition. If you've already seen the first video I did where I kind of showed you guys how to check for the Certilogo, you'll already know the process. So if you haven't seen that video, do jump back and do check that out. I'm going to fast forward to the part where I've put my Certilogo number in here. I go through the process until I get to the end and then find out what the result is. So let me do that right now. I've just put the Certilogo for the Parajumpers in here, and this is the next stage. It says, where did you find this product? This was actually gifted to me by Certilogo, so I'm going to put here gift, and it says, have you received this product? I'm going to say yes. In the last video I showed you, I did show what to do if you don't have the item, that you do have to say no, and I've given you the process of what to do in that situation, okay? So again, do jump back to the video if you're not sure. It says, is this brand name on your product? I can go to yes, it is Parajumpers. Do you have this label? Yes, that's the exact label that I have. I just showed it to you guys so you guys can vouch for that as well. So I'm going to click yes. Bam, here we go. So that's it. We've got it. Authentic. Obviously, this was sent in by Certilogo, so we know it's all 100% authentic, which is great. Now that we know that our Parajumpers item is 100% authentic, the next thing I want to do is I want to list this on Depop. So if I scroll through the bottom, I'll get to a section here where you can clearly see it says selling in an online marketplace. A Certilogo seal will help. So all I've got to do is go to get the seal. So I click on that. Now what you're actually doing by creating the seal is that you're letting buyers know that 1, you have a Certilogo in your item, 2, they can use that Certilogo to check it themselves rather than you giving the number, 3, you're letting Certilogo themselves know that you are looking to put your item up on a marketplace platform and there will be more than usual activity on that number. Important thing you need to do is you do need to let Certilogo know where you intend to list your item. So if you're going on Depop, Gumtree, Grail, eBay, you have to let Certilogo know that those are the specific places you're looking to sell. So it's asking me to upload pictures. Please send us some clear and well-lit photos of the CLG code on your product. So all I need to do is go over to my item, take a picture of the Certilogo code and upload that and send that over to Certilogo. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I've literally just done that. I've literally just taken some pictures of the Certilogo label itself. I've taken 2 clear pictures as it said, and I'm going to hit done, and that should be now sent to them, okay? So it says, please send us attractive photo of your product that will appear on the Certilogo seal. So that's great because I've got a picture of some items already. Right, so I've done that. I've actually just sent some really cool pictures. Now it's saying to me, where are you looking to sell? So first thing I'm going to do is put on Depop. So I'm going to list it on Depop obviously, and my username for Depop, go and check out my Depop, it's thehoxtontrend.com, okay? Make sure you list every marketplace you plan to use, otherwise your buyers will not be able to authenticate your product. Okay, cool. Click on continue. Dude, that's it. Congratulations, you have created a Certilogo seal. We'll send you an email when your seal is active for use by buyers, okay? So now what this enables me to do is sit back and wait for that Certilogo seal to arrive in my email. If I wanted to sell this item anywhere, I can literally put the Certilogo seal as a picture up on the listing, and then people can actually check the Certilogo seal. It saves so much time and it's really worth doing, okay? And it's really going to add value to your listing, and in a lot of cases you can ask for more money when people know that your stuff is 100% genuine, okay? This is the email that you should get from them once you've set up the request for the Certilogo seal. If we click on the link, so here it is, that is the seal of authentication. So it says download now, so I'm going to do that. So that's the seal right there. Rightio, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight straight over to my Depop store. I don't even know what happened, but it blew to like 20,000 followers, which is just crazy to me. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let my followers on Depop know about the competition. So if I go choose from library, scroll through all my images, bam, here we go. So these are the images that I took when I done a photo shoot with the items. So I'm gonna use that one, this one. I've got one more that I'm gonna use, this one right here, and there we go. That is my Certilogo seal, so I can use that to show my followers now that the item is genuine. They can put that code in there and that will tell them that the item is genuine, okay? So if we see here, we should be able to see the listing pop up, and there it is. That's the listing for the competition. It's really good to get into the habit of kind of doing that process, getting the Certilogo seal emailed to you and posting it along with your items. That way you're gonna save a lot of time going back and forth between potential buyers asking you to send a Certilogo or saying to you that it's not genuine. Once you have this seal, it can really help you to add value to your listing. So that's it, man. Makes a lot of sense to me. So guys, all you need to do for the competition to take part is really simple. I'm going to be releasing a post on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on the Hoxton Trend. Also make sure you're following Certilogo on Instagram. I'm going to release the post on this competition, and I'm going to be letting you guys know how you can be in with a chance to win this Para Jumpers hoodie, okay? I've got lots more videos coming, lots more new concepts coming, so listen, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Yeah, you know the cue. I'm out of here.